vele sesikuyo akunanto esizayithini but then it's a culture yokubana xa uyi-vocalist uyi-woman you have to give up in order for you to ngena most of the time and yeah, it's the truth, guys. We've been through it. And in ndifila ingathi I would have made it dala qha ke ngokubona uba as terms and conditions. Brighter than the stars, louder than the sirens, bolder like a superstar. Ailona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli. Brighter than the stars, louder than the sirens, bolder like a superstar. Ailona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli. Bangandiza mazama ngobomi bam ngubeko zami ayubuzethemba Brighter than the stars, louder than the sirens, bolder like a superstar. Ailona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli. Brighter than the stars, louder than the sirens, bolder like a superstar. Ailona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli, Lona Alupeli, Lona Alupeli, Ailona Alupeli, Lona Alupeli. Lona Alupeli, Lona Alupeli, Lona Alupeli, Lona Alupeli. Okay.
The only thing standing between your talent and you going in, round one.
I-competition lento now mawuletha i-competition ublind uzovaleleka most of
Ne.
So dude,
Okay.
this is where you're gonna see with the gatekeeping is so evil that somebody is willing to pay for their
Yeah.
artist to be played and also pay
Play
another
for
amount
you,
to
not to be. What's up? My name is Judy Diamond of every season, baby, and welcome to the Crowd Chat. Apho sixhela ezisementeni ngaphandle kokuthi simoshe ixesha masingene emxholweni. And I'm not alone, obviously. I'm with my co-host.
Y'all already know. Isa Matthews, mfana Pitori, mfana Pirara, mfana Piriska, tedinchike magasa soloke zaga, damane o chikinya di chibuta chipule. Uteluma who are?
Awemba.
The boys cooking. Kalang di manapi. Superstar material. We out here, yeveme.
Yes, and I have this lovely lady here.
My name is Reina ABS, but Elokusabela ngu Elihle Gcinisa. I am a musician. I'm basically a creative head, but the basics of my line artistry is music. I'm a model. I'm a creative head. I do runaway modeling. I do photography, and I also do journalism.
Okay.
So yabale. Lana we.
Oh no!
No.
Hey,
Oh,
what is
yeah,
rappers?
So what happens is that
I-
I'm a runaway
brother.
model.
Puti, when I was introduced somebody.
Philani Shabalala le pasi bambizo tailor made mshengu into umuntu abamajistre ngamaphedi mshengu dongo lamavuso sidobe sinothulu sangcwabe sibuye nomdlanda azophuma
Bambelela siyajika.
That's me.
Okay, Isa has a. Hey, Isa, you have a competition. Now that's what's up. Angifanga bakwenza ntoni le. Anivanga.
Yeah, what's up?
So okay.
Guys, thanks for coming through.
Yes, very
Very
much.
much today with
Siyabonga.
our guests. We're just having a discussion. Ningathu
Yeah.
nikhululeke. This is not an interview.
Yes, Tata with everything
So, yeah.
as that impact us all as South Africans.
I
So-
was ukuthi since I'm musician, ngiyazazi izinto ezenzekayo.
Yes.
Damn.
Because for ukuthi nisijoyine nisipixesha lenu ne. Do you have anything to ask? Because now I'm not an artist, but I want to. Ooh. How is your artist to tell you? And you're a musical artist, yeah, Mandiche. Yes, but I am an artist. Ndifuna ubuza uba, okay, guys, kuyo yonke le on this industry thing, how's it going? Because I will not lying. I would be not lying, Mang City. As in Sibona, you guys are doing exceptionally well. And then Pity says donate. so what's up, Lala? Industry. Can you explain a little how is the industry treating you, and what are the looks up for what is stronger? What's coming for your side or your side? Ngaqala.
Are you gonna start?
Bajwayele bet ladies first.
Okay, ladies.
Okay. No, I guess when it comes to Ubu artist, like a musical artist, it's all
Yes.
about appearance and the content that you must keep up, you must keep up.
Yes.
And at the minute develop like Sibona Ingat, you are
Utapile.
obviously that's when money crisis come in, like the
Yeah.
financial crisis, ne? And it's all about signing endorsements and stuff like that. You won't get into, but then the most important thing that I have is what you
Seen.
put on the table.
Eh,
So uba wena kwa
your
wena i-background
value.
yakho sentsho financially wise or i-influence onayo xa sifika apha eRhawutini it becomes so hard for us uba singene kwezi spaces because if you don't have something to offer, and of which most of us as females sendithethelela thina i-females, ne,
Yes.
it becomes very hard, guys.
So what do
Funeka
you bring
si-
to the table?
So what do you bring to the table?
Now, to be honest with you,
I know.
personally, I have had a challenge, and akubi kai one, akubi kai two. It's many times
Yeah.
whereby ndidibana nabantu, like ndidibana ne-producer, ne, and then siyenza ingoma, ibe mandi ingoma, and then they're gonna promise into yobana okay, ndizoyireleasa ngedate ethile. Maya zifika i-19 zikamaji, hello, injani mos, ingoma kanjani. No, njani ingoma wena unga. You understand? So iyakunala nto ye-gatekeeping ke ngoku into yobana like we experience a lot of gatekeeping whereby we have to give up more of ourselves, sacrifice, especially us as women.
So ndingagqithanga emlonyeni. When you say uthi njani ingoma wena xa ungathi, what was the agreement?
I-agreement xa kusenziwa ingoma obviously umntu andazi uba mhlawumbe what kind of i-mentality abantu besube besiza nayo ne, and ekubeni umntu from the first time nidibana akathethi uba specific asentsho sibadala mos engabe umntu uyatsho ubana for ukuba ndide ndirelease le ngoma funeka
What I
ude
expect. Yes.
so umntu uzayenza mhlawumbi lese mna ndiyambhukha estudio. I know that I have to offer imali, ndikufundele imali,
Yes.
so for i-studio session nentontoni ixaka kulaa ndawo ye-masters. I feel like kulapho khona ingathi asivisisani kakuhle whereby umntu uzofila ingathi u-entitled, and of which I feel like yi-culture vele sesikuyo akunanto esizayithini, but then
Yeah.
it's i-culture yokubana xa uyi-vocalist uyi-woman you have to give up in order for you to ngena most of the time, and yeah, it's the truth, guys. We've been through it. And in
Yeah,
Nandi, ingathi I would have made it dala qha ke ngoku ba as terms and conditions.
Mna ndinazele konke, so
Yes.
wena
So,
futhi like what are the challenges you've been facing as the artist?
I guess being an independent artist
Yeah.
is one. Khumbula ukuthi dadewethu asinawo lamasela
Yeah.
where I can go to whoever and then say, you know what, play my track. There's
Yes.
a good $5,000.
Or routine music video. Next.
Music
Yeah.
video dlala lapho ku-MTV. I remember I had to play bengifuna ukudlala ku-MTV base. Hey, I had to pay and pay, but corner wise.
Yeah.
Just so I could see it.
Yes.
But it happened. But what I understood from it, it's all big companies.
Yes, and then
And
sometimes
the
it's well deserved, but still they make you go corners and corners and corners.
So I don't know if we should just give it a word, Lendo, so that we can all be on the same page.
Yeah.
When it comes to males, do we get to a point ukuthi no kanjani mfethu uthole like besitsho usisi wami ba ingoma kanjani
Yes,
when it comes to male artists, does it happen
Yeah.
ukuthi okay basibeke straight mina ngithanda ukuba blunt yabo ukuthi khona abantu who sell their souls
Yes.
in different ways. Selling
Yes.
a soul can be like ngizawukhonza ube nguthixo wami.
Yes.
Selling your soul again can be doing something enjengokuthi ulale nomuntu ungazixelelanga but for the sake of your
Yes.
talent, your
music, your career.
It's not but in isilungu sinokubaleka mawunika umuntu approval i-right ukuthi
Yes.
lento niya-agree kuyo. So with male artists because ngiyazi ukuthi so far uthe mawichaze yakho akhuluma ngama-cent more
Yes.
yena uthi we know ukuthi kumele ubhadale for a studio session.
Yes.
It was a studio session back.
Yeah.
But now it means for me as a guy to be played, I must have money. But as a female, if you don't have the money, you have another option.
Alternative.
And it's more in most cases,
Yes.
industry.
Yes,
Yes.
you have to do something like that.
So with guys, it doesn't get to that point.
No, it does. It does.
Yeah.
Ukuthi inkinga sesiyenza thina.
Is why the part bengifuna ile ukuthi
Inkinga
bengifuna benza
sesenza
manithi
into.
wo or you thinking of when ndiphethwe amadoda industry.
Yes, you know.
That's what I wanted. Yeah,
Oh,
that's what I
Bafuna
okay.
understand
Okay.
into. Noma ngathiwa iphethwe amadoda ne, but nabantu besimame they are racist.
Yes,
And
God.
abantu besimame into ababuye beyenze, it's this yokucabanga ukuthi nina nisafara maybe nina nisafara more.
Right,
It's
yes.
the same mfethu industry na wonke umuntu. I believe there's gay guys, there's
Yeah.
straight
Yes.
guys, there's homo whatever. Ngikwazi
Yes.
ukuhlukanisa, there's
Yeah.
LGBTQ.
Yeah.
Iyona
Okay.
le-
Plus ekugcineni.
lelo plus
Ama-alphabet
ekugcineni.
shoot asaqhubeka.
Mm.
So la mfowethu cishe sibambeke ngokufana uyabona.
Okay.
So
I
who's
guess
gatekeeping? Who's gatekeeping actually?
Mina I believe
Let's leave
Okay, so yonke leni it's gatekeeping.
Yeah.
It's gatekeeping.
Oh.
gatekeeping. Ukuthi if you don't do this,
Okay.
I'm not
Yeah.
opening this gate.
Okay.
The only thing standing between your talent and you going in,
You're around day one.
so
I'm just
they're
saying.
holding the gate. And when I just
Yes.
give it, mawufike gate.
Oh no. And it's not even about talent. You can be as
Yeah.
talented
Yeah.
as you can, and then
Talent,
kukube khona omunye umuntu who is quite talented, but then if the person is able to, then
Yes.
kuba nguye at the front, and then when who's like a superstar, you're gonna have
Yeah.
to back like
And
ube se back.
another
Yes,
thing,
yes.
gatekeeping. People have sat down and I analyze what gatekeeping is not like I'm entertainment industry, especially music. But you know what life yethu. Kunomuntu udinga license. Gatekeeping yakhe ubribe. Gatekeeping yethikithi endleleni
Yes.
ubribe. So CVs umsebenzi
You bribe.
ngitsholo.
Okay.
So gatekeeping can be anything
Anywhere.
where you have to sacrifice your soul or yourself or financially something you don't have. That's why it's selling your soul is not just konza usatan.
Yeah.
You going into some shop untshontshe imali for
For
them.
you
sold
to
your
be-
soul.
yeah.
You didn't have to do. So yeah, it happens everywhere. Go license department.
Everywhere.
Ungakhiphi ijojo uyohlala usiyapha ubhatala license bathi next.
Yes.
Buy the
Fail.
cold drink. And this is another thing. Ngesintu, South Africa sina isintu. we've come to a point where it's comfortable gatekeeping.
Yeah.
Izinto ukuthi
Yeah, so see,
We have
one is
normalized
no.
everything.
ntwana no cold drink.
Yo.
Ko Pitori ba ibitsa bjao, Joe can't cold drink nyana o shile. And you must understand cold drink is not imagine 13 rand something.
Yes, it's
Cold
not.
drink is greaser.
Serious
It's
money.
illegal.
Yes.
But then gatekeeping is real in everything.
So now I wanted to
everything.
know about gatekeeping, because sometimes when somebody maybe is something is because they're protecting you from something. So I want to know if there's such as good and bad gatekeeping.
Definitely. There is like gatekeeping whereby apho umuntu ezama ukuprotecta. But then when it comes to bad gatekeeping, usube umuntu efuna something nje. When someone bad gatekeep you, it's because of ufuna ukuba ingathi uphatha kanje.
Oh yeah.
In order for them to get something ngawe.
Oh, so they don't want you to go straight to the source.
And bekekeseke ke uisa into bana like gatekeeping is not only of music industry or artistry. Nasemisebenzini siyayibona gatekeeping whereby ungafunda ndasekhaya ube graduate.
Yes.
Ufunde ube graduate. Xa ufikayo phana uqonda uyazithika zonke ezi marks, but then wena awunantoni awuna lento efunekayo. And of which I feel like i-focus kuyo yonke lento gatekeeping abantu bafuna imali kahle kahle. And of which I don't know
even with jobs they just put it out there as a procedure ukuthi kune-process.
Yeah.
Kuba already know, they've already set up everything.
Thina siya-emaila nje
Yeah. So I wanted to know about do you think about there's good and bad gatekeeping? Or nje umuntu uma ekunisha information uyakuncisha nje?
Mina dadewethu, I wouldn't say there is good gatekeeping. Giving ngithi khona good, because I understand sometimes ngike ngibe noku-understand. Sikhumbule ukuthi kulo mhlaba it's a competition. It's everyone for himself.
Yes.
So maybe sometimes the company ayikwazi udedela udlale eradweni because probably your style sounds similar to someone, but it's just better than someone. So we know ukuthi mayithi eradweni, no man, lo muntu uzova le artist nami sakhe, and we already spent 100K.
Okay.
So spend enye imali kuma-compiler so we can hold this one. So we competition lento. Now mawulethe competition blind uzovaleleka most of
Nah.
So dude, this is where you're gonna see with the gatekeeping is so evil that somebody is willing to pay for their artist to be played and also pay
Play
another
for
amount
you,
for you to
not to be. That's
blackballed.
Siyafuna uphumelela sonke. Come on, why? There's a pie is big. Why can't everybody get a piece?
They don't see it that way.
That's how
They
it
don't
is.
see it that
That's
way.
how
It's like often in the industry.
When you check it, nje, it's big, but they don't see it that way. That's why you see kunento ezinjengabo open up the industry. Because we are rotating the same people.
Yes.
Peltusi,
Even on acting.
Peltusi are presenter, Peltusi are actors. Ngomeni oskiri Peltusi are too.
Even in acting, they do the same. Even in acting.
And we're not saying
that's why I've seen it.
No, we're not. Like for example, I have this thing yokuthi ubathu bani uZola.
Yes.
I love Zola. I looked up to Zola. And then, but come on, now usafuna ukubuyela.
Ixesha lakho liphelile, yes.
Indlela ophume ngayo and
So this is
but now come on, you can't.
this is good gatekeeping.
So lento
Protecting himself from himself.
Iqhubeka way far to naseParliament. We have abantu abana-60 abana-70.
But leadership, yes, right. But ilo ithini nge-60 uthatha umhlalaphansi.
So uyabona ukuthi nawo ama-A-list ethu.
Because you have a Tlatalax, why is he not in Parliament already?
Yebo. Or those
Why is he
people.
not in Parliament already?
Akekho abantu who are representing us as youth on there.
Obviously, bakhona lapho ku-youth league. That's why they created a league for us. There's PSL and there's Invest. So there's that youth league.
Okay.
You feel me?
Hey, Mara, kuyafana nje. I get whatever that is happening there. So, as artist, your skill, how did you develop this skill? Were you born? Is it a talent or a skill? Is it a talent or a skill?
For me, it's a talent that ends up being a skill because like you work on it almost every day. From none that's discovery. I said man.
I like this.
So instead of bamnandi be laid back, I feel like sonke sinazo italent ufika ba wena unayo ivoice efana neyami, but just because of mina I work on it every day. ndiyapractice
Yes.
ndenza kanje, and then obviously izoba nayo ubu-perfect phakathi whereby nam ndizibona uba okay nice kutsho ukuthi ndiyakwazi uyenza le nto lena, so I feel like
Tonight is working on.
hey, you just work on it. Iyafana
It
nomntu
needs working
othungayo.
on.
Yabo.
Uba ndingakwazi uthunga.
Yes,
Yes.
you can.
Literally, it's a
You
skill.
can. It's a skill. Italent
What
iyafana
do you think
ne-skill
We-
for
It's a
me.
skill or a talent.
It's a skill or a talent.
Mm.
Angazi ngayibeka kanjani ibhola
Yes.
khona abantu
Abangalazi.
because skill. Khona
Yes.
abadlala
Because of
Messi,
i-talent.
it's just pure talent.
Pure talent.
Cristiano Ronaldo, it's
Pure
a skill,
talent. Oh, okay.
hard
You
work.
put in the work.
Yeah.
But abanye they just gifted. Umuntu ngakumphoqa into yakho.
Okay.
And I would say him, it's just talent.
Talent.
Yeah, it comes
Just-
naturally.
It comes natural.
Okay, that's
I
good.
think ngingayivuma both ways because I've noticed with the younger artists abeza after now, yes, there's things about perfect in 2 years and it took me
So long.
I was getting my name is Chizboy, Izale Piteri, Yentele Pinoni. That's how I used to rap. Like this
Yes.
kids about like when, for example, in Aries, this kid man Aries man
You see?
but yeah, and it came different. Maybe even atmosphere,
Even the time,
generation,
maybe. Modern
access, like,
times.
even access to internet.
Yes.
See, now we had to do it ngokubukela seluma tunes. Maybe until next week. Oh, now spanba. Amabita as overseas download it
Yo.
online and the internet emakhaya is slow. Yabo. So into enjalo ukuthi hayi. But these kids abangoku everything is here. So uthi nje vela uzibuza how long have you been doing this? Yeah, no, I just started in 2021.
2019.
What do you
2019, then
mean?
you can ask Mamani today ukuthi uqaleni. I bet you akayi as far as
2017.
27.
Even
We
the
20
World Cup. The World Cup
even
was-
even
2010.
and Tina, we went through that.
Yeah, very
I
much.
think it's all about the exposure mna uba thina ba phofu angathi thina because nam ndiselapha kule phase yokuba-
Yes.
but then dala guys besingenawo ama-opportunity afana nawa ngoku like
Yeah.
umzekelo i-social media besingenayo i-social media bungena kumixid ube right then uphinde uphume but ngoku it's in terms of i-exposure nithi khona no-tiktok i-tiktok iyakufundisa yonke into
Yo,
uba how
a
to
lot.
do this how to do this
lot.
how to yonke into so abantwana bangoku obviously bona eyi bathanda ukuba advanced inyana
Okay,
in
no.
terms of being
So since we're on the skills thing,
Mm.
which skills do you now think maybe this skill is not taught in school? Ayikho kwi-syllabus
Yes.
nani.
And it
But
should.
if this would be included, like njenge-maths, njenge-geography and whatnot,
Yeah.
this abantu abaningi
Ngaphucuka.
ngaphucuka and kungaba ne-sector ezivulekayo zemisebenzi but this. Which skill do you think maybe maybe bayinga-implementwa nje?
Ukusebenza ngezandla.
ukusebenza ngezandla
Like practically
If you
doing
go to
things.
The China's world.
Yeah.
China.
They more
Setshenziswa
practical.
ngezandla,
They more practical. Yeah.
Ufuna ukusebenza
True,
ngezandla
that's
then uloku uhlala encwadini ufunda into ongakazi uyikhanda.
Uyibone.
Ufunda iwashi
Yo.
ukuthi likhandwa kanjani kodwa awukazi.
Bethu besifundiswa ngentethe. In the real world angeke
Intethe
ngiyoba
izokusiza
bathini i-vet lo amadoktor bezilwanyana. Ngiyoba
Oh,
yi-sound
vet.
wine izothi label okay grasshopper is it won't work for me.
It doesn't.
Because today we're buying these phones zenziwe ngabantwana cha.
Yes. Yes,
Exactly.
yes.
Zenziwe ngabantwana thina we're busy buying.
So basically, you're saying that anything that we're learning, it should be practicalized.
yes
I guess
This is
it's gonna
always.
practice.
Yeah.
Awukumeka sobuya encwadini.
Yeah.
Because it's a whole different sector.
Yeah, true.
From the Bible to whoever wrote whatever.
Yeah.
So we would go
Go
too far.
deep.
Asibuye nje la esandla.
Uyibone into
Let's
yenza.
try to fix izinto ngezandla.
But they have to put the real people ke abazofundisa zona. Not umuntu abamse university uba afunde
Yeah.
theory then aphinde azofundisa practical. You can't. You've
No,
never
you
done it.
Yeah.
So you'd have to take if uzofundisa ngokuba umechanic ubrajo
Yeah, uzothatha yena kaloku.
ukulungisa
Yes.
esikolweni.
Yeah.
Wena umqale nje uba yabona into zokubhala na asukufaka kulona. Teach these kids ukuthi
How to
mawulala
do
phansi
practical
kwe-bench
work.
change carburetor
What
how
happened?
to, yeah, because now they're going to take the very same people who are academically equipped ukuthi
Ewe.
they know theory still.
Yeah.
You're going to draw ipens instead of abantwana bakulandela ungene
Into
phansi
engifuna
kwayo
ukuyibuza
ulungise ipens.
who has the right to say you've set edeskini for 4 years
Yeah.
wayenza leyo theory. Now
Now
you
you
have
have
the right to be
increased-
the doctor ukuhlinza umuntu. Ubani oqhamuka naleyo? Isn't it? That's just part of the system, man.
Yes,
Yeah,
well,
yeah,
you're
yeah.
put
This
in
whole
a
thing is
box.
a game. You see, there's that performance like Kendrick. By the way, I'm on Drake's side and then
Making it clear.
I don't hide it. I'm on a
Kendrick's side.
Nah, Kendrick
Yeah,
side, guys. Kendrick side.
Yeah,
And
yeah, carried by the bots. My baby. Yeah, so into endiyibonile, okay, the whole message thing. I saw it just that abantu une message joystick.
Yeah, they're reading too much into it.
And as you listen to Samuel L, like Mabeti Bamenze, Uncle Sam. Uncle Sam in the
Yes.
United States more of like who runs a system. And that's by Iswa kanjani bakuze kweli igama ukuthi Uncle Sam. But it's somebody.
Nanku president wethu cupcake, so
Okay.
yes, maybe it's the same
Atsu
thing.
muffin.
Cupcake.
So what's happening with that? That message ukuthi uthi uSamuel L, you keep it up. You're still part of the game. So uKendrick performs songs as like black consciousness and then
Yeah.
you're too loud, you're too ghetto in it. They don't. That's what they call us when we
Yes.
know the truth and must say it's system inja. Then my with these stars, I don't even like you, and Caesar. I didn't. Now that's what I'm talking about. It's more pop.
Yeah.
It's more what the media if you know yes, it's lightened up. I know
It's not political.
Eh, because I thought that beef
So
food.
it's a whole
Apparently what khona
it's
siyayithanda.
system. Like we're in a game. Then kube khona la e performer khona beme kwi pole lapha it's in the street as you
Yes,
know
yes, yes.
Americans gangs and
Yeah.
or you brought your uyababiza your goons or something with you in then score what is score checker or something delete one so kill one
Yeah.
black life because they becoming woke xa bedibene.
Mhm.
You see, so the system is like as it was woke and yabona?
Hey.
Ngathi ngoku baba too
Bathi
much.
bawuthetha. So
Mm.
yeah, we're living in that thing. ukuthi
Bazositrendisa
these
or
things
bazosflex.
as gatekeeping skills eziso practical zingafakwa esikolweni makazisebenze egarajini yakhe pha endlini ubrajo because xa singamfaka esikolweni
Yes.
afundisa abantu ukulungisa a German car, a Benz.
They can
Germans
be able
must-
to build their
Yeah.
own. Okay,
Mm.
yeah.
So yeah. Yeah, it just became woke for a moment.
Yeah.
Yeah, I miss the woke.
Yeah. So yeah,
I miss
that's
the woke.
how I see it.
So, but yeah, besides what skill
Yeah,
do you
what
think
skill?
you should
I'd like
should
to
be
hear
taught
from
at
you.
school?
I mean, for me, ne? Personally, for me, I think it has to be psychology in terms of emotional intelligence, ne? Mainly because siyabona mosapha phandle like abantu abanazo izikills zokwazi ukuthetha nomuntu. Siyakwazi ukufunda.
And
From
now we
here
are about
where
to
I go,
play
don't.
a young game called Emotionary. So what we're going to play is that I'm going to give 2 emojis and then these people are going to guess what the emojis mean. Yes. Starting now. What? Okay, ladies first, sorry.
But men before.
Catch it. So we have this. Give you clues.
Diamond Walk. or
Yeah.
something?
Diamond Walk. Mr.
Okay.
Editor, you're gonna show them la pheza inside it. Now, I'm an emoji work.
It's no red.
Yay! Okay, that means I am just giving them as simple, yeah. But they are just scrumptiously eating away. It's a food.
Yeah, onion ring.
You. Yeah, but why you dramatic? You are too much.
Let's
Too
go.
much. And then going back to you.
It's starfish.
Istabile. Uyibambile mos. Uyibambile. Yes, uyibambile. This one is the last one. This is the last one.
I don't think there's gonna be a tiebreaker. Sonke nje.
That's a hot chocolate.
Whoa, okay. Yes.
Oh, what? No. Okay.
Oh yes, but yeah, we bambino.
Flower girl.
I'm sorry.
Rosemary.
Yeah.
No, what's
Who rose la?
Insurance. Rosemary.
No. Anyways, thank you very much.
Insurance.
Like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you want to book the space, contact us and we'll set you up. Siyabonga, Pilani, Taylor Made Shengu, Siyabonga, Rain Emoyeng.
Squirm record still my nigga. Bring on a nigga. I follow I'm nigga. Bring on a nigga. Bring on a nigga. Get your man and gonna got on the passenger seat. Pause a tumble, cut this make a song. Give him the vitamin C. Yeah, give him the vitamin C. Bring on her knee, bring on her knee, bring on her knee. La cosa from head to toe, suicide's a small salaz, salaman. I say, La Costa from head to toe, suicide's a small salaz, salaman. No, from swimming with the sharks, man, just catching you so still suicide, I went to my fella, now that's suicide. They asked me why the cat slept next to a fireplace. My explanation, it got the lelezig, just killed another goat, the rapping into Lucy. Oh, yeah. Just killed another goat, rapping into Lucy. Yeah, Lucy, now it's gonna be nigga. I feel like I'm nigga. Bring on a nigga. Bring on a nigga. Get your man and gonna got on the passenger seat. Pause a tumble, cut this make a song. Give him the vitamin C. Yeah, give him the vitamin C. Bring on her knee, bring on her knee, bring on her knee. Woke up, Charlie got cock, c'est about 11. Now boom sala, for the bam. Ngana good, ngana loach, that's a friction. That's in done, bring no sa, salo gas, summer school, who's on done. Ngana loach, woke up, yeah. Now I'm getting the interest like a loan shark. Now I'm up the box, nigga, like a pirate friend. Now I jump in this shit, nigga, like I'm a possess. I'm a Timo. One more. But your girl on my bed looking like a full chicken Nando's. I said, you want beef, but your girl on my bed looking like a full chicken Nando's. Bring on a nigga. I feel like I'm nigga. Bring on a nigga. Bring on a nigga. Get your man and gonna got on the passenger seat. Pause a tumble, cut this make a song. Give him the vitamin C. Yeah, give him the vitamin C. Bring on her knee, bring on her knee, bring on her knee.